everybody, my name is Kate. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and do what you will. Today I am bringing you a very special unboxing. I've been trying to save up for this item for years. I've sold items to purchase this item. I just think that this product is a great investment because I've seen that over time it has gone up in value every single year, and it's one of those items that is just a classic staple. So I am gonna be unboxing for you this Chanel item. It is the 2020 wallet on chain. Now this item was not easy to get. I went to the store and at first they did not have it, so I was actually put on a list for people to be contacted if they did have it. So this took around a week to finally get, but it is definitely worth it. It's just such a desired item just because it is so classic. When you walk into the store, you might not just be able to get it. You might have to wait. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. It's really just about what they got in and how many people have purchased it that day or that week. As we can see here, it's just the box. They're like the iPhone boxes where they open up more slowly to give you kind of more of that build-up, which is interesting. The bag is just this black kind of velvety dust bag, nothing really new. And then we have the chain wrapped up in the tissue paper. So here's the bag, as we can see here. You open it up and there is this little white thing it comes with to protect the zipper from creating a mark on the bag. So that's an added layer of protection. And then you have little dust. So now I'm gonna show you what this bag looks like. This is the bag, we can see it here. It's kind of shiny just because of the light, but we see the plain CC on the front. This is just the original wallet on chain. It's not one of the new ones that have the turn lock. You can see that in the bag, it is a metal clasp, when before they had a snap clasp. They still have that kind for wallets and coin purses, but for the wallet on chain, they decided to switch it to a metal magnetic clasp. It's kind of easier to open and close as you want. Then in here we can see that the zipper is a CC zipper, whereas before it was a YSK or YS, whatever the zipper that was not gold. It's just like a plain black zipper, but they decided to change it and then make the zippers with Chanel on it and make them gold. So those two details, I think, are the biggest thing between buying a new wallet on chain and an old wallet on chain that you might see on eBay that is from the, the 90s or the 80s. Another thing is this hardware is not gold. Like, it looks like gold, but the old wallet on chains, the hardware is actually gold, but they don't have the magnetic clasp, and the zippers aren't Chanel. They're just a random zipper. So then inside we can see that we have 3 card holders on one side and 3 card holders on the other side. And then what I didn't know, which I'm surprised I didn't know, is there is another pocket in here on this side, and it's leather on the outside, but on the inside it's kind of like a linen fabric. And then we have a little zipper right here with another pocket that is just like a linen fabric on the inside. Then there is another pocket right here that is also just fabric. It comes with an authenticity card, which I should be able to find. Here it is. A little card it comes with to show that it is authentic, and that is super important for resale value. If you ever buy something Chanel, don't lose the card, or if you ever buy something pre-loved by Chanel, try to find out if they have a card that it had at some point, just so you can have it for the future. And then on the top here is a hidden little zipper. You can't really use this for much, but you can use it for something. It is based off of the bigger flat bag, and it's kind of this idea that Coco Chanel was keeping her love letters up in this secret compartment. On the bigger bags, the compartment is upward. On this bag, it is downward. So we have the classic quilting pattern, and we have the pocket on the back. And then what I like to do is that you can wear this bag in many, many ways, and I'm gonna show you the different ways you can wear it. So the first way you can wear this bag is crossbody. You can just put it over your body. I like this way because it feels very secure, but at the same time, it's a little bit long. Someone that's 5'5" and under, it might feel a little too long, and there is a way to combat this. Next way you can wear it is doubling up the loop. You can double up the loop and make it so the chain goes around the bag twice. This will cause it to be a shorter chain, and you could do it cross body again with a shorter chain. This will make it really close up to you, kind of a more, I would say, streetwear look style. It's nice, but if you're wearing a giant coat, this might not work for you. You can also do the double up chain and then put it over your shoulder. I think this is really cute and classy if you want the bag close to you and you don't want it hanging on a longer chain. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please feel free to subscribe, like, comment, do what you will. In my next video, I'm gonna show you what can fit in here, how much can fit in here, and how I kind of organize it. So get ready for that, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.